Hey guys, welcome to Supercars Warehouse and thank you for your inquiry. Here we have is a 2014 Holden Commodore SV6. This Commodore is powered by a 3.6 litre V6 engine with a fuel efficiency of just 9.5 litres per 100 k's. As you can see, the front grille, the front badge, the 19-inch alloy wheels, the side vent has all been painted black just to give it a more sportier look. Even the rear badge as well and the rear tailgate has also been painted black. This car comes equipped with front and rear parking sensors, just so you can get into those tight spaces a lot more easier. As we jump inside the boot, being a full-size wagon, you know you're going to get heaps of boot space at the back. This car also comes with this cargo blind, just so you can hide all your private stuff away from other people. As we jump inside the car does come in full leather interior with heaps of space at the back for your passengers. And same goes with the front. This car comes in an automatic transmission. It has reverse camera, Bluetooth connectivity, and sat nav. This car has travelled 83,000 kilometers on the clock. Also comes with 2 sets of keys and a full set of books. Supercars Warehouse is where you can buy direct and save. We have over 300 vehicles all on the cover and another 2,000 vehicles Australia wide. Hope to see you soon. Thanks.